Guys, this is what it looks like when you leave Tesla in dog mode. It says on the screen, my driver will be back soon. Don't worry, the AC is on and it's at 22 Celsius. So I'm going to show you how you can enable dog mode. When you're on the main screen, just press on the climate control here. And on the right hand side you will see the button for dog mode. Just press on that. It says climate and screen will stay on after you exit. Sentry mode and opening windows from within the cabin will be disabled. It's for pets, never leave a child unattended. So that's how simple it is to use, and it's really handy if you want to leave a pet in the car. It notifies the people outside and it will keep the car cool for your pet so that the pet doesn't overheat at summertime, or in the winter time that it doesn't get too cool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.